suggestion is that you write down whatever you write down, that you underline, so that you will remember that this term you have already done. Y raised to 5 written, right? Standard form y raised to 5a, right? And then y raised to 4 by this term. So plus 2y raised to 4. Now is there any term with y raised to power 3? Yes, it is 3y raised to 3. Correct? And then you have, is there any term with y raised to 2? Yes, it is here. Now is there any terms with just y? Yes, it is here. And then lastly we will write down the constant term. So it looks also better, na? Y 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and then constant. Correct? So this is what is called as the standard form. If in between koi nahi hai, see here in this sum we were not having any term of m square. Nahi tha, to nahi likha, no problem. If it is there, then we write. If it is not there, we cannot add the terms. Right? We cannot write just, okay, 7x mein apne hisab se likh deta hu. No, nothing. It is not possible. We are going to have in this manner only. Clear the standard form? Okay. Now children, we will go towards the coefficient form. There is a little difference between the coefficient form and the standard form. So let us go ahead. I'll do the comparison also, children. Okay. First, let me teach. Given a polynomial, children, if, say I'll take one example, say if you have 2m raised to 4 minus 3m raised to 2 plus 7, right? Now this is already in a standard form. m raised to 4, m raised to 3 का कोई term नहीं है. You have m raised to 2 का term, that is there. Again then m to the power 1 term is not there, but constant term is there, right? So here this is in a standard form. Now in this standard form, when you write in a decreasing order of its power, whichever term is not there, you put as the coefficient 0. Then what we get, it is called as the coefficient form. And just explain with this example. We have, yes, 2m raised to 4. Now is there any term with m raised to power 3? No. That term is not there. Put 0 and then m raised to 3. Write it. You are not changing any value, children. You are multiplying by 0, na? So that term doesn't exist only. But it is just way of writing. Okay. Then is there any term of m raised to 2? Yes, it is there. Minus 3 m raised to 2. Now is there any term with m? Yes. We don't have that. So we'll put again, write down 0m. Correct? Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the constant. This is called as the coefficient form. Sorry. That is called as the index form. I'm sorry. It is the index form. I'm sorry, children. It is index form. Index. All the index should be there. So it is called as the index form. I'll take one more example. Suppose you have the example as x raised to 3 minus 2. Suppose this is the example. Then the index form, it's an index form, indices part we are going to see. X raised to 3. Now, no terms of x square, no terms of x, but constant term is there. So this is in a decreasing order. See the indices part, index part, right? So this is the index form where all the index should be visible. If that particular term is not there, we will write the coefficient as 0. Okay? So this form is called as the index form of the polynomial. Please do write down this too as an example. As we don't have the question of this type, so please write it down, at least these two examples. Yeah, it's compulsory to write down this. We don't have any sums of this type, so you should write this. Okay, index form. It will be useful. It is important also. Standard form छोटा होता है where you have whatever number of terms are, that many only. In an index form you write the index in a decreasing way. 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and then constant. Slowly decrease, like going down slope wise. Fine? Followed, finish writing this? Okay. So now we will go towards the next thing, and that is now the coefficient form. We are just going to write down the coefficient there. Coefficient form. In the coefficient form, we are going to write down just the coefficient. But children, for going towards the coefficient form, you cannot just directly go from this standard form. You need to write down the given equation in the index form. After writing in the index form, what you are supposed to do, you are going to write down the brackets. Just write down one round bracket, open and close, and then write down the coefficient of each. इसका coefficient 2, and put comma. इसका coefficient of m cube is 0. Put 0 and then comma. Here the coefficient of m square is -3. So put -3 and then 0. Put comma. Then again 0 and comma, and then last is 7. Okay. So in the coefficient form, you are going to write down only the coefficient in the round bracket. In index form, you are going to write down all in the decreasing order of indices. In a standard form, just rearrange so that it is in a decreasing order of the power. That's it. So all these three things are clear to you. Now children, once you followed this, we can go from one form to another. Try करने का, कैसे करने का? I'll just give an example. Suppose this particular is in a coefficient form, and if you want to write it in the index form, कैसे जाने का? What you are going to write down? This is a term of x raised to 0. This is a term of x raised to 1. This is a term of x raised to 2. This is a term of x raised to 3, and this is a term of x raised to 4. So it will be what? 2x raised to 4 plus 0. You have to write down this coefficient and this power. -3 x raised to 2 plus 0 x raised to 1 plus 7 x raised to 0. Is it clear? You have to go ulta. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just simply shortcut करना है. Then in another way, just count how many coefficients are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract 1 from it. Always subtract from 1 from it. You can just start writing. 2 x raised to 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what will be the degree of the polynomial? It will be 4. Right? So you can start with 4. 2 x raised to 4 plus 0. You can write out this coefficient and go on writing in a decreasing order of its power. -3, 3 के बाद में 2. 0, then 1, and then constant. Clear? Okay, so this is how you are going to write down from the coefficient form to the index form. Okay, and then from the index form, we need Siddha, close, put mic off. Siddha, Sid, roll number 61. Okay, now from this, if you want to write down the standard form to 0, that you delete. So it will be 2x raised to 4 plus minus 3x raised to 2 plus 7. See? Right now, I have taken variable x. Here it was given n, but that's it. So one form to another form we can go.